Hi guys, I'm Jess and in this post I'm going to be looking at the front cover of the Essex Chronicle. So in this paper the English flag is shown in the masthead, making it stand out a lot more to the audiences because this is quite unusual to see in a local newspaper. The word Chronicle has been made to stand out a lot more from the word Essex, so it's suggesting that it's trying to make the newspaper stand out and seem a lot more official, like it's the only newspaper in the local area. So the masthead is going against the conventions of normal mastheads for local newspapers, as it doesn't use the symbol or the logo of the newspaper. This paper has used the English flag though, which makes it stand out a lot more compared to other local newspapers, and it makes it a lot more eye-catching to people as they can see it from further away. The main story on the front cover of the paper is very different from a typical headline of a local paper because it isn't something that you'd normally see. It's very unique and it will catch the audience's attention as they will become curious about what the story is about and they'll want to find out more details. Adding to this, the picture makes it stand out a lot more as it shows someone injured laying on the ground, so people want to find out what's happened and make sure that person's okay. There's also two pictures shown with two feature stories, which makes it look a lot more attracting to the audience because they can see what types of stories are also inside the newspaper as well as just the main one. There are quite a few feature stories shown on the front, and compared to any of the other newspapers it's got the most shown on there, which gives the audiences more of an idea of what's actually in the newspaper. So this also implies to the audiences that as it's got the most feature stories, it'll be the story of the most information in it. And there's a feature story shown on the side of the newspaper with a picture and an article underneath. So that suggests to the audiences that this story is important as well for them to read, as it's got the information on the front. Normally feature stories only have the title or maybe a picture. There's also a competition being shown on the front cover. It's just underneath the masthead and it's showing audiences what they could win if they enter, and this will attract people because they may want to get involved with that competition and try and win the prize. There's also a few special offers being shown and how audiences can save themselves some money. So these are being shown on the front cover instead of business adverts, which makes the paper stand out more because audiences will be more interested in how they can save money or how they can win something. But most normal local papers just show business adverts and what's happening in the local area. Okay guys, thanks for watching.